All right, Eric, as Elliot Gotkin was telling us from London, HSBC, what's going on with that? Certainly affecting trade in the UK and Europe as well. We're going to take you back to London. Linzie Janis is tracking the declines, but she brings us up to date on the overall markets. Linzie.
Hi, Deirdre. HSBC has been considered relatively healthy compared to some of its rivals, so its move to raise so much cash isn't exactly a confidence booster for investors today. It's going to be the biggest rights offering in UK history. Also, Warren Buffett's assessment of the American economy, together with Friday's dismal U.S. growth figures, are darkening the mood here. Take a look at the losses on these main markets. You got the FTSE in London down by around 3.5%, its lowest level in nearly 6 years. We've got banks and insurers leading the way. See if we can show you some of these banking stocks here. HSBC, the lead faller, down more than 12%. Also the Bank of Scotland, which was the Royal Bank of Scotland, effectively nationalized by the British government. Also UBS and BNP Paribas. Now mining and oil companies are also getting hammered today. These stocks are pulling the FTSE lower. In particular, you've got BP, Royal Dutch Shell, BHP and Rio Tinto. They're falling along with crude and metal prices as traders bet that rising unemployment will further crush demand for raw materials used in construction. Also, there's concern that the Australian government may reject Chinelco's planned investment in Rio as it worries about increased Chinese control of its natural resources. So we've got some pretty steep losses here in Europe. Eric, back to you.